Hey guys, Ben Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs, and I'm back again with a quick unboxing video. So sit back, rest down, graduate, take your feet up, most importantly, have fun, like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that bell notification to keep up to date with everything here on Simpson Vlogs, and of course, check out the links in the description, whether at TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle, and Twitter, as usual, alongside Simpson Players, simpsonplayers.com, and of course my Twitch. So then guys, if you've not seen the thumbnail somehow, if you've just skipped past that and jumped in to enjoy the lovely video, then I'm unboxing a fan. Why? Because back when I was doing this video, it was one of the hottest periods in British history ever. So hot, in fact, that a drought has been since declared across parts of the southwest, southeast, and even all the way up where I live in Yorkshire. To the point where from August 26th, no hose pipes. You can't use a hosepipe, otherwise you will incur a fine of £1,000. Wow. I have never personally experienced a drought. I mean, this country has experienced several quote-unquote droughts, where various parts of the country have declared a drought under certain circumstances. And it's been happening more frequently. The last one was in 2018. But I do not recall there ever being a hosepipe ban across the nation. That's never happened. And for those of you who don't believe in climate change, well, bitch, look outside. It's hot. And for those of you who live in hotter countries or come from hotter countries, if you've lived in the UK long enough, you know that the heat in this country hits differently. Okay, it just is ridiculous. Okay, you can go. I've recently been to the States. You've seen them. If you have not checked out those vlogs, check them out. They're part of the Life of Ben series, so check them out. They are awesome, and it was a great time in the United States. Now, whilst it was hot there, right, it was high 30s every single day. All right. Inside, you were Gucci. You got inside. There's aircon. The buildings are built to let air out. High ceilings, big ass doors, and aircon. You're good. You're gonna be nice and cool once you're actually inside. Here in the UK, you're hot out there. You come inside, it gets worse. We've got bricked houses with insulation, low roofs, double glazing window. Oh, it's everything about UK homes is designed to create a furnace in these sort of temperatures. And the temperatures here aren't as bad as they were the first heat wave we have a couple weeks back now, which was mid 30s at times. We've got high 20s and low 30s, but it's just the way houses in this country just contain heat just make you feel like a roast chicken in a rotisserie. It is ridiculous. You have your fans blowing, they're blowing warm air. You open the window, it gets hotter. It's just ridiculous. But you do need a fan, or if you've not got aircon. If you've got aircon in this country, big luxury, because that shit's expensive. But you need a fan. Now, I had a fan. Nice tower fan. Told the temperature. My room was always laughing at me saying, 35 degrees, brother. But the day before recording this video, it broke. It broke in the most obnoxious way. 1 second, it was working. Next second, I come back upstairs to turn it back on because I'm back in my room. It turns on, but there's no noise. And at first, I'm going through the motions, doing whatever I was doing. And now I'm like, I'm getting hotter. What's going on? I turn the fan to face me, and I don't feel air. And I'm just like, you're taking the piss. Of all the days, of all the times for a fan not to work, you have got to be kidding me. So that brings us to the main subject of the video then. I have bought the Honeywell Turbo Force Power, it says ventilator fan. So this is the fan I have bought. Yeah, small factor. Alright, it's a small factor fan. Now, there are several reasons for this. 1, tower fan takes up a lot of space. 2, I'm moving back to uni soon, and this baby is going to be easier to pack up and take with me to uni, and when I move out of uni again, then a tower fan is, okay? And 3, hopefully with it being smaller, I'm not going to be such of a slouch and clean it better, because not gonna lie, probably the reason my thing broke is because there were mountains of dust inside the motor and the motor couldn't handle it anymore. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm not the best at cleaning fans, okay? Like, yeah, I don't know why I believe they don't need cleaning, but clearly somewhere deep inside my head, it's the one thing that no matter what else I clean in this room or anywhere in the house, that I just don't clean. I don't know why. So hopefully the smaller one I look after better, because yeah. And another reason is this £25, and tower fans, good ones, they're 40 quid plus. So I'll put the link to the description of this on Amazon. It was recommended if you search up like, I don't know, best. If you search best fans, it's on. Sometimes it's on that list. If you search up best desk fans, it's definitely topping that, one of the top ones on those lists. If you search up quiet fans, it's on that list. So yeah, let's hopefully this works as good as the tower fan does. Now, of course, if it doesn't, not only guys will you guys be the first one to know, but you'll see another unboxing of a tower fan here on the channel. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and hit that bell notification. So let's pull it out of the box. Now obviously I've already, as you can see, got this thing out of the packaging. It does come in like a plastic wrap and stuff, and comes with the usual manuals and shit. But yeah, this is it. Nice little Honeywell fan. As you can see, it's very, very small. It's nice. It's good. So should we turn it on then? Should we turn it on? Right, it's pretty good fun, I'm not gonna lie. We have a desk fan, standard like old-fashioned silver, you know, metal with the big blades and all that. It doesn't make that much noise, but it's also not very powerful. And this thing, from what I preliminary testing, seems to be a bit better than that, and that's decent. It's decent, to be honest, as well. So yeah, a lot of people think desk fans, they're smaller, they don't pack quite the punch. You're wrong. Right, let me just quickly go over here, plug this in to the lowest setting. So that's lowest setting. You guys can hear all that noise. That's lowest setting. Alright, I'm gonna turn this up now. Use my hat kind of like as a, if I do it underneath my hat as a little way of testing it. Right, turn it up. That's number 2. It's not too loud, a lot more power. Number 3. Whoa, Gale Force wins. Yeah, okay. I feel thoroughly cool. Another thing about this is I don't know how well this is picking up on the thing, but I can just sit this on my lap whilst I'm playing a game and just have it on like setting 1. Just be like da, 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 da. So I'm recording videos for you guys for when it does get hot. And it's like, you know what? Yeah, because I could literally just have this literally underneath my desk, blowing cold air up at me whilst I'm playing a game and streaming or doing a YouTube video for you guys, and hopefully it's not loud. I mean, yeah, the previous fan wasn't picked up on before, but I really am. I do like this thing. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. But we'll find out tonight. So my preliminary review, which is all you guys are gonna get, is that this baby seems to be good. And if it isn't, well, like I said, tower fan will be the next thing unboxed on this channel. So yeah, that's all from me now, folks. It was a short video with a bit of a rant beforehand. Yeah, I hope you are staying safe, and you know, not just from the diseases that are around about, you know, monkeypox, COVID, and all sorts of random shit that keep cropping up all over the world, but from the heat, if you are here in the UK or anywhere else across Europe, with the heat waves coming as they are. And yeah, if you aren't okay and you need a fan, but you ain't got that much dollar, Honeywell, £25 on Amazon. Next day delivery. It could just be the thing that saves you from sweating to death. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification, keep to everything here on Simpson Vlogs. And of course, check the links in the description. There's TikTok, Instagram, Resort, and Twitter, alongside Simpson Players, simpsonplayers.com, and of course, my Twitch. Until next time, guys, if you didn't enjoy this one or want to hear me rant and see the Honeywell again in action, run it back and try again. Peace.